In this session, we are going to learn how to play the first and the last instrumental sections of the piece, as well as learn how to sing along to the verse and the chorus.
When we play Hall of Fame on our Glockenspiel or keyboard, we'll be using these notes: B flat, C, D, E flat, and F. These notes form the first parts of what we call a B flat scale, and it sounds like this. See if you can have a go at playing that with me after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. We'll also be using this rhythmic pattern. To warm up then, let's try a copy me exercise. All the patterns I play will use some or all of these notes, and some will use that rhythmic pattern as well. Here's how it works. I will play a short pattern on my Glockenspiel, for example. Then I will leave a gap for you to try and copy back what I played on your Glockenspiel or keyboard. Then I'll play the next pattern for you to copy in the next gap, and so on. There'll be 8 patterns for you to copy in total. Don't worry if you get stuck. You can always pause or rewind the video so you can have another go. Here we go then. Listen and watch carefully.
Now we've warmed up, let's practice these 2 bars. We play this pattern 4 times, like this. Practice this pattern several times until you feel confident. Now we're going to play along with the music. I will count the rest bars at the beginning of the piece, which we don't play in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3. Get ready? 4, 2, 3, play!
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and hope you look forward to session 2 of Hall of Fame next time.